That's number 4, a new planet, Planet Boom. My waking planet. The planet Boom consists of only 5 planets, with each made up of a specific chemical element, 34 its colors. And shades are very particular in sense on the sun. It's a large golden shaper, and the moon is made of a particular silver rectangle. Instead of a star, it has a very particular reflectors. Yes. The first planet is called lithium. It is orange and has the shape of an R. The second is called magnesium, yellow and has the shape of a leg. The third is called wolfram, pink and has the shape of a head. Shape the fourth is called cerium. Red has the shape of and hats. The fifth is called Astalus. Green and has the shape of a neck. My sun is bigger, longer, rounder, and simpler than the one in the system. Next. The moon is the biggest and most beautiful that is. Next. My star is harder and happier than of the solar system. My first planet is hotter and longer than Mercury and Venus. My second planet is important because it is smaller and faster than the Earth. My third planet is bigger and more expression because it says how it follows from its color and size because Mars is smaller. My fourth planet is longer, bigger, and funnier than Jupiter and Saturn. My 5 planets consist of again the longest, grandest, and coldest planet that Uranus and Neptune. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.